New Perplexity AI update is insane. So Perplexity just dropped something wild. We're talking about AI that shops for you, not just finds products, actually helps you buy them right in the chat. No jumping around, no copy pasting stuff into carts, just talk and buy. And here's the kicker, it knows you, like actually knows what you searched for before, what you like, your style, and it uses all that to show you exactly what you need. Not 1,000 random options, just the perfect ones for you. They call it agentic commerce. That's just a fancy way of saying AI doesn't just help you find stuff anymore, it helps you buy it too. And Perplexity teamed up with PayPal to make this happen. So you can go from asking a question to checking out in seconds, all inside one conversation. Think about that for a second. You're chatting with AI about what you want, it shows you options, you click buy, done. That's it. No new tabs, no entering your card details again, no dealing with checkout pages that take forever to load. Now, let me tell you why this update is actually insane. Because it completely changes how shopping works online. Think about the normal way you shop right now. You search for something, you get a million results, you click through 10 different websites, you read reviews, you compare prices, you add stuff to your cart, you go through checkout, you type in your address and card info, it takes forever. And half the time you give up because it's too much work. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. While he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So back at it. And here's what makes it even better. It uses context and memory. So it's not like a dumb search engine that forgets everything the second you close the tab. If you searched for winter coats last week and today you search for boots, it might suggest boots that match the coat style you were looking at. That's pretty cool. It's like having a shopping assistant who actually pays attention, who actually remembers your taste, who doesn't show you stuff you'd never buy. Plus, the trust factor is built in. PayPal handles identity verification and buyer protection. So you're not worried about getting scammed or your info getting stolen. The whole chat to cart thing feels safe. And that matters because a lot of people are scared to buy from new places online. But when PayPal is in the middle, you know you're covered. That peace of mind is huge for making people actually complete purchases instead of abandoning their carts. Now, let me give you 4 prompts you can actually test right now if you're in the US. These will help you see exactly how this feature works and what it can do. And I want you to try these yourself. Pause the video after I share them and go test it out. Then come back and tell me in the comments what happened. What products did it show you? Did you actually buy anything? I'm genuinely curious to see how this works for real people. If you want to master AI tools like Perplexity and learn how to automate your entire business workflow, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We cover every major AI update as it drops. You'll learn how to use AI shopping tools to find better deals faster, and even how to leverage AI for your own e-commerce business if you're selling products. The link is in the description. Now let's get into these prompts. Prompt number 1, hey, Perplexity. I'm looking for a birthday gift for my wife who loves minimalist Scandinavian home decor under $150. This is a great test because it's super specific. You're giving it a person, a style, a budget, and it should come back with a curated list of products that actually match all those criteria. Not just random home decor, not stuff that's $200, exactly what you asked for. And then you should see a buy button right there. Click it and it takes you through PayPal checkout without leaving Perplexity. That's the whole point, speed and accuracy. The beauty of this prompt is it shows you if the AI actually understands taste and aesthetics. Scandinavian design is clean lines, natural materials, neutral colors, simple but high quality. If Perplexity shows you something cluttered or colorful or cheap looking, then it failed. But if it shows you a nice wooden serving board or a minimalist ceramic vase or clean linen throw pillows, then you know it gets it. And that matters because taste is hard for AI to nail. This is a real test of whether it can match human shopping instincts or if it's just keyword matching. Prompt number 2, I commute 30 minutes by ferry and need a warm coat that can handle wind and rain, looks smart and costs under $300. This one tests context even more. You're giving it lifestyle information, your commute situation, weather requirements, style preferences, and a price limit. And it should understand all of that and show you coats that work for someone who's going to be outside in harsh weather but still wants to look good. Not gym jackets, not super casual stuff, smart coats that are also functional. And again, you should be able to buy right there in the chat. What makes this prompt powerful is the layers. You're not just saying show me coats, you're saying show me coats that solve a specific problem in a specific environment for a specific look. And the AI has to balance all of those things. A coat that handles wind and rain might be ugly. A coat that looks smart might not be waterproof. A coat under 300 might not be warm enough, so it has to find the sweet spot where all three requirements meet. That's complex reasoning. And if Perplexity can handle that, then it's not just a shopping tool, it's actually thinking about your life and what you need. Prompt number 3, what are the best wireless earbuds for gym use and travel with noise cancelling around $200? This tests technical specs and lifestyle combo. You're asking for a specific type of product with specific features for specific use cases, and it should show you earbuds that actually have noise cancelling that work for both working out and traveling, and that cost around $200. Not cheap ones, not super expensive ones, right in that sweet spot. And the cool thing is it should explain why each option is good for what you asked for, not just show you random earbuds. This prompt is tricky because gym earbuds and travel earbuds usually want different things. Gym earbuds need to be sweatproof and stay in your ears when you move. Travel earbuds need long battery life and comfort for hours. Noise cancelling adds another layer because good noise cancelling costs. So you're asking it to find earbuds that do all of this well and don't break your budget. For each of these prompts, pay attention to how the results look. Check if there's a clear buy button. See if it actually goes through PayPal. Notice if the recommendations make sense or if it's just throwing random stuff at you. And most importantly, see if it saves you time compared to normal shopping. Because that's the whole promise here: faster, smarter, easier. If it delivers on that, this is a game changer. If it doesn't, then it's just hype. So test it and let me know. And here's the thing about where this is all going. Right now it's US only on desktop, but that's going to expand fast. Mobile is coming, more countries are coming, more merchants are going to join, and the AI is going to get better at remembering your preferences and understanding what you actually want. So this is just the beginning. In 6 months or a year, this could be how most people shop online. Just talking to an AI that knows them, that shows them exactly what they need, that lets them buy in one click. No more browsing for hours, no more decision fatigue, just fast, efficient shopping. And if you're serious about leveraging AI to grow your business, you absolutely need to join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach you how to use tools like Perplexity to save time, automate your workflow. We cover every AI shopping tool, every automation hack, every new feature that drops. You'll learn how to use AI to cut your research time in half, find better products faster, and even automate your customer recommendations if you're selling online. The link is in the description. Don't sleep on this. Make sure you subscribe for more insane AI updates like this. I'm bringing you the latest every single week. Hit the like button, turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you in the next one.